Question 10. How do living fossils remain unchanged over supposed hundreds of millions of years if evolution has changed worms into humans in the same time frame?
In science class, we don't actually teach philosophy. We teach, what's the word? Science.
That is one of the laziest arguments I've heard.
What they're trying to suggest is that somehow we evolutionists envision a time when there was, sexless, early sexless humans running around, just budding off babies now and again.
It really is difficult to express the number of levels on which this question fails. In fact, it's so loaded with ignorance and misinformation that it wouldn't surprise me if at any minute it collapsed under the gravitational field generated from the sheer weight of stupid that it contains.
Didn't see that coming, did you? No, of course not. Because you're too blinded by your own propaganda to even read a fucking paper.
Now compare these to the model of Archaeopteryx currently on display in Ken Ham's infamous Creation Museum. What the bloody f*** is that supposed to be?
Again, this is nonsense. Not only in its premise, but also in its use of language.
If DNA is evidence of an intelligent designer, well then it's evidence that God also learned to type at 4chan.
Even more so, if evolution didn't have a practical application, does that mean evolution is wrong and God created everything on Earth? Of course not. It seems to me someone couldn't think of 15 questions actually question evolution.
The key mechanism of evolution is not taught as evolution. It is taught as a key mechanism of evolution.
This is a logical fallacy. This is an argument from authority, which doesn't work in science.
If you ever wanted proof for evolution, look no further than those pesky viruses which cause us to be ill. They are the ultimate adapt and survive machines.
Those DNA sequences that natural selection permits become information only when they are printed in biology books. Prior to that, they are molecules.
However, the theory of biological evolution is not baseless. It has countless of evidence that are both observed and can still be observed and have been tested thoroughly.
Play us out, Ken.
Doing the pigeon, doing the pigeon, doing the pigeon.